Good morning to everyone. My name is B. Ray Babu, and today we are going to discuss about need for optical fiber communication. Okay. So as you know, you have studied about different subjects from the second year to final year. Is it clear? But in this optical fiber communication system, it is very important in a society, because nowadays we are using and we are choosing only for a wireless system. Such systems are Wi-Fi, mobile, desktop, and then laptops. Okay, and then pages. These are all devices which used without the optical fiber communication. Which all those electronics devices which is based on the wireless system. Okay, then what's the difference between a wireless and optical fiber? Let's compare these two things. Then how much important this optical fiber communication system in our society across the world. Do you imagine? See, nowadays across the world they will choose only for a wireless system. But how much drawbacks are there compared to the optical fiber and as well as wireless system? Let's talk about first of all wireless, and thereafter we will discuss about what's the need of optical fiber. Okay, let me draw some example. Like this is one antenna, I consider as a transmitter, and this is the surface, landline surface, ground surface. Then this is around a receiver. Okay, now the transmitter and receiver between the distance is 100 kilometers. Okay, 100 kilometers. In this surroundings around thousands users are there. Here also 1000 users are here. Okay, nearby base station. In this I will give 1 gigahertz range of frequency, and here also 1 gigahertz range of frequency I may give frequency setup. Okay, now between these two, is there any communicating between transmitter and receiver? Is there any cable? Nothing. It's totally free space. So all users who are here in this base station and those who are here in this base station, every user getting signal from their respective base stations. Okay. In that case, how many people are told you that? 1000 people. And what's the range of frequency? 1 gigahertz ranges. And what's the distance between? 100 kilometers. Okay, now in this 100 kilometers, this is sufficient frequency band, and bandwidth is sufficient, wider range, and bandwidth is also sufficient, and every user getting signal from the base station very clear and effective manner. If anyone user can download the song or video or any content, they can download within seconds, within minutes also, with this sufficient bandwidth frequency. But in that case, between these 100 kilometers, if there is a direct LOS, do you know what is LOS? Line of sight, line of clear between transmitter and receiver. There is no any obstacles. Then no more noise, no more problems will occur. This user will transmit and this user will receive within seconds, because no more obstacles in that case in free space. And what's the speed of velocity? That c equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second. So in air, what's velocity of light in air? C, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second. Now no more obstacles in the sense, then my data will transfer within seconds. That's what about a free space. But it's never happened nowadays, even past days also. It's never happened. Why? Because between transmitter and receiver, there is a obstacles. What are the such kind of obstacles are? Hills, buildings, vehicles, trees, all those obstacles. My signal. This is my building, for example, and this is vehicles. My signal travel like this. My signal can travel any direction. In any direction, my signal will travel in any direction. It will hitting and then reflected reflected finally reach to the destination. How many times will be reflected? First one and second time. In that case, due to some reflections will happen. Such cases are some power losses will occur. Whenever power losses will occur, and then my signals will get some noise. Due to that noise, my losses will happen, and finally receiver will reach the destination. It's very difficult because there is a obstacles is there. Due to that obstacles, my output level should be goes down. Then what will do in the receiver? As a people, you don't know what will happen, but behind that, in a base station, my signal received and allowing some noise. Then I do something. That is what by using techniques of equalization and filter and low noise amplifier. Which means what is low noise amplifier? Whatever the signals are received, that will be amplification should be done, and then some mixer. Mixer is nothing but either addition of frequency or subtraction of frequency. Why? Because in wireless system there is obstacles. I don't told you that is obstacles is there. Due to the obstacles, my signal will get losses. So I need to boost up that signal. What kind of this signal received, that I need to stabilize to boost up the signal. That's why I'm using low noise amplifier. And finally mixer. What's the function of mixer? To subtraction or addition, which is used by the local oscillator. What's the function of local oscillator? The frequency should be addition or subtraction. Then I can addition, then goes to the detector. What kind of signal I received, that will be detecting, and finally given to my destination, to the receiver. Is it clear? This will not happen, but the people doesn't know. It's all happening by the techniques. Okay. So for example, I am Ravi. One of my friend Rajshekhar. I text a message. He will reach, but it's not suddenly reach to the destination. What will happen? It will take some time. Due to in between there is some obstacles, due to some low noise, low signal, it will happen. Value is not sufficient, or else that person roaming some other place is not getting signal. At that time, what will happen? It will take time to reach my destination, to reach my signal to my friend. Whenever he comes to the signal area, then suddenly he will receive my information. It's all happening by the wireless system. Okay, so that user move away from the base station. That user cannot get signal from the base station because he is moving some other places. So he never get any signal. So now you can say that which one is better, the optical cable or mobile. Sometimes I can say that I want to move some one place to another place. In the sense, of course, wireless system is better always, but at the same time, and you will face some problems whenever you are roaming some other places. Definitely there is no signal at the time, you will face the problems. So I cannot say that it is a drawbacks, but it is an advantage is there. The thing is, we have to understand that there is also some problems will be there. Okay, so that's why I can go for optical fiber. In this optical fiber, which is used in the different industries, different applications. Such applications are militaries, and then industrialists, and then hospitalities, and then college organizations. Everywhere they are using optical fiber, and also most probably submarine sea, under the sea. Is there any vibrations or tsunami, anything, they will affect, and they will get the signal from this optical fiber. They will construct by the under the ground, beneath of the ground. Okay, around thousands of kilometers. Okay, you use plastic or glass. Okay, most probably in longer distance, in long communication distance, they may go for plastic. In shorter distance, they may go for glass. Okay, why? Because it is more cost affected. That's why in this need, what are the needs are there? Very important in this sense. The first one is low noise signal. I mean losses will very low. Why is being losses will very low? Just now I told you that in between transmitter and receiver free space at the time, is there any problem will occur, which means the users cannot be getting signal from the base station. What will happen? So the user will get losses. But here in the case of cable, around thousands of kilometers or so, you may use cable. So in line communication, definitely wherever the person make a call, and second person will receive a call, and without any disturbance. Because while communicating each other between transmitter and receiver with a cable effective manner. Okay, with effective manner, and no more losses will occur, no more disturbance will occur through cable. So cable which is connecting between transmitter and receiver, which is effective manner, and even net also it speeds very fast, and we are using almost 1.45 megabits per second. That much of frequency and that much of data bit rate also we are using in this optical fiber. Okay, first thing is we are using plastic cable around single mode fiber. Okay, in this single mode fiber around thousands of kilometers we may use, that is 3,500 to 4,500 kilometers we are using optical fiber. Okay, that is single mode fiber. In single mode fiber around this much of speed, that is 1.45 megabits per second we may use, and then around beyond 35.5 gigahertz range of frequency which is used. Okay, so in this one more need, it gives longer life, it increases the span of life. Why? Because in this plastic which is designed by the plastic cable which gives more life to the applications. Okay, so and then finally, if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please you can make a drop a message to the comment box, and then you can get more knowledge in this. Thank you.